to HBMT1203 Teaching of Preschool Mathematics online course. I am super excited to meet you this semester on this online platform. In this course, you will learn the pedagogical content knowledge such as numbers, basic operation, measurement and shape, and space. Furthermore, you're also going to be exposed to teaching and learning activities for the preschool and Year 1 mathematics. We have Google Meet meetings, e-lesson, e-forum session, and so much more. Also, this course page has learning resources that have been uploaded and embedded. Please take your time reading these materials. Finally, be sure to bring all your questions with you when we meet online. Have a good day and we will see you soon. Happy learning!